Georgia Medical Center Barrow, Ms. Sunita Singh. Sunita?
Thank you, Tommy. We are absolutely delighted to be one of the presenting sponsors for this incredible 007 event. Since our theme is 007, James Bond, I would like to start by commending this very special agent who came to us in 2014. He had more than 15 years of diversified experience in high-performing, participative management and team concept organizations. He had led operations for both small and large organizations, including new acquisitions and multi-site location. This special agent came to Barrow with a mindset of success at a time when Barrow's local hospital needed a major rebuilding and reputation building, both internally and externally. You know whom I'm referring to, do you? This special agent is nobody other than Chad Hadfield, whom you know and love as the president of Northeast Georgia Medical Center Barrow, our James Bond. On behalf of all staff at NGMC Barrow, I would like to extend our special thanks to this fearless leader for his service to the hospital and this great community. Chad's greatest strength has been caring and compassionate leadership style. His depth of experience in applying evidence-based leadership tactics has yielded positive results. Under Chad's leadership, this hospital has made a 180 degrees turnaround. I bet. If you must seek medical care today, you will not think twice before coming to your local hospital. And let's not forget his greatest accomplishment. Can you tell what it is? Mm-hmm. He hired me. Right, Chad? Actually, what I meant is Chad's lasting legacy will be integration with the Northeast Georgia health system families, whose roots are in the backyard and whose president is a proud graduate of Winder Barrow High School. With this strong parent company, we were able to withstand the challenges and uncertainties of COVID-19. This global crisis tested our resolve, our bandwidth, our patience, and our endurance, but our staff rose to the challenge and came together like never before. We proved that even in tough times, we remained committed to our mission of improving the health of the community in all that we do. It just goes to show how much we can accomplish as part of this great NGHS family. I'm proud to report that as a system, over 3,000 of our hospitalized COVID-19 patients have been treated. They were all able to return home due to remarkable care provided by our physicians and staff in all of our campuses. I would also like to thank our local, state, and federal officials. I know some of you are present right there. I see. In fact, I have to narrate. This was during the peak of COVID around March, and we needed some information urgently, so I sent an email out. It was a weekend. It was after 9 o'clock in the night, and guess what? Within 15 minutes, I had a reply from Terry England, and I had a reply from Frank Gill. We have these kind of officials. We are proud to have them. And thank Frank Gill for giving your cell phone number. I have been using it. With your support, NGHS was able to secure the resources to assist our pandemic response efforts like mobile medical units, additional staff, and increased allocation of drug remdesivir. In September, Atlanta Journal-Constitution recognized NGHS as being meticulously transparent, a reference to the breadth and the depth of COVID-related information that we shared on NGHS.com website. Isn't that a hallmark of a distinguished health system? Like many others, we suffered supply chain shortages too, thanks to the community for donating handmade masks, and also Barrow County School that helped us. Did you know that NGHS employees, those who didn't have that job at that time, maybe they were in surgery or other jobs, we had a sewing team of NGHS staff and they produced more than 8,000 N95 mask covers and almost 1,000 fabric isolation gowns. Even in the middle of all such challenges, Northeast Georgia Medical Center, Barrow, your hospital, it earned the designation as a primary stroke center, which means you didn't have to go outside your county because every second counts. Your brain cells are dying when you're having stroke. We also received Level 3 Cardiac Care Center designation. Furthermore, we earned the Astor Award for Marketing, that's my department, and maintained our ranking as top 5 small hospital as rated by Georgia Trend magazine. We wouldn't have been able to achieve all this without NGHS. At this time, I would also like to convey my heartfelt appreciation for the community's overwhelming support. Thank you for all the lunches and generous donations. Also thank Rotary Club of Winder and first responders for your support parade. This community makes us strong. You are the real source of our energy and our success. It is only with your collaboration and support we can achieve more, we can invest more, and we can employ more. Talking about the growth, I want to let you in that this year we do plan to start the work on medical office building along Highway 316. The physician included in the plan are general surgeon, orthopedic surgeon, OBGYN, family practice, and cardiology. This project is expected to be completed late 2022. Thanks, Chad, again for your leadership. We'll continue to follow the path that you have led us and try to make you proud. In closing, I would again thank the community and our hardworking staff in helping NGMC Barrow to be better tomorrow than we are today. As Carol says, our greatest accomplishments still lie ahead of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sunita.